few years ago, my consultant ran a practice analysis for me, and then he kind of talked to me about what some of these numbers meant and how they could help me with my practice.
You know, as a dentist, we're kind of locked in the back in the trenches, and we're just busy treating patients, and we don't often come outside of that, environment to look at our business and what can we do to improve things or change things, or how is our business running.
Go over all the fees based on zip code, percentiles and all that. That's really, really valuable as far as figuring out where you're not charging enough, what procedures you're doing a lot of, and just need little tweaks here and there can make a real big difference in your bottom line.
If you want to find some unmet potential in your practice, if you want to have an analysis of your periodontal codes, if you want to have an understanding if the fees you're charging are appropriate for the time and area, geographic area that you're practicing in, the practice analysis can do that for you.
This practice assessment tool has led us into some various areas in our practice, and I think has been a big part of the success that we've been experiencing over, I would say, about the past 8-9 months.
Henry Schein has done for me some practice analysis annually that has helped me balance my fees and make sure that I'm competitive within my area.
And it's a really good tool to help me kind of understand the inner workings of my practice. Oftentimes we're so concerned about working with our patients we forget the business side of it.
The practice analysis was very helpful, in some of the very basic things that you take for granted that still are being done are not being done, and how that can help your practice.
You can analyze your practice, see where you're excelling in, but you also look at areas where you might be deficient in.
I've had 2 of them now in the last 3 years. Been very helpful in directing our practice and where we should go to excel.
Just looking at the fees and the codes that we've been using, breaking things down, we're able to identify some problems and some things that have been falling through the cracks.
As being a general dentist, you're always trying to get better. You're always trying to set a higher benchmark for yourself and your staff to achieve your mission and your vision, and you never want to stay stagnant. And these opportunities that Henry Schein presents to you really helps you do that.